that's how I got into physics, because there was this time, and this was like December 2021, and I'm crossing the street just out here. I'm in the city, and in the middle of the street, I just had this like sudden epiphany that I'm a different person. I am who I always imagined I would be. I'm living the dream that I had imagined years and years ago. And so by the time I'm on the other side of the street, I'm a I'm a different person living a different life, because a lot of it is all in our minds and our perception, and um, our experience is all determined by our mind. I didn't know how to explain it. How are you supposed to tell people, explain this to other people? How do you even explain it to yourself? There's there's kind of like a spiritual component of it, where you can say, I had a spiritual experience. I had you know, uh, something like that. But um, that's not easy to communicate to other people and have it comprehensible. So I kind of wanted a scientific explanation for it, so that I could communicate this experience to other people. So then I started to get into physics, and with the podcast, started reaching out to physicists and people in the science community, technology, more so than before, and just kind of picking their brains about physics and concepts. And I started reading quantum theory, and then I was like, oh, okay, I kind of get what happened. I experienced this. It was more so like an awareness, like at one moment, that I'm different, right? But I wasn't necessarily different in that moment compared to 10 minutes prior to it. It was that awareness that throughout all this time, say the last, it would have been like 3 years, that I had been taking small steps every single day and pursuing curiosity and self development, personal um, exploration, that it assembled all these little decisions, all these little actions, added up and assembled what I envisioned. So it's pretty exciting. So those are the kind of steps, the things we want to be doing here, right? Being intentional, taking a step back, thinking about specific things about our life. Um, so that we can move forward and have those like transcendent moments. It's so special. It's so amazing.